A lot of us traveling this holiday year. I mean, this is supposedly one of the hottest travel times in the country, in the world. So, what do you do to protect yourself? Well, this is kind of interesting. We all know most of us have cell phones, so smartphones, right? Chuck, Brad, we all carry those with
Sure.
us. Here are some things to take pictures of to have on your phone because many of us store those pictures in the cloud. So even if the phone is lost, you're able to get copies. And some of these may be normal, and some of them may you may not have thought of. So if you're renting a car, get pictures of the rental car when you pick it up to make sure there are no scratches or show scratches that are on the rental car so you can report those when you return it. And then when you park your car somewhere, especially if you're in a foreign area, foreign land, or country or city, finding your car is be difficult. Take pictures of the street sign of where the car is or close to so you know where you are. Take pictures of your own personal and also rental license plate and VIN number of the car. Take a picture of your driver's license. That's way if you lose your wallet, you've got some sort of valid photo ID that you could show in case you're stopped. Also, traveling out of the country, take a picture of the passport. So important. You may need that. You may not have it on you. It's important. If you have an insurance card, take a picture of the insurance card. If you have medical and dental insurance cards, take pictures of those. Individual photos of children or other family members should be at the top of the picture file. So when you open it up, you've got pictures of the kids. So if you're traveling with the kids and they're lost, you don't have to go thumbing through hundreds of photos to see your pictures. And also, here's something that may be unusual for you. Take a picture of any place that you loved, like a restaurant or a visit. That way you can go back. If you want to go back again, you can look at the picture and see where you were. Also, take a picture of the hotel or Airbnb you're staying in so you know what it looks like when you go to return if you can't find it. Take a picture, and this one could be a little dicey, of your bank account and routing numbers. The reasons for that is if you need to call the bank, they're going to want your routing numbers and they may be available. And if you secure those pictures in the safe file, which you can hide pictures, that makes it even more secure. And then finally, take credit card pictures and the customer service numbers. Those customer service numbers, yeah, and Brad's got one as well. Pictures of the credit cards and customer service numbers will be invaluable if you lose your wallet or you lose your credit card. Yeah, Brad.
Yeah, I was gonna say also any prescriptions that you take,
Hmm.
you want to have pictures of the prescriptions so you know what those fancy names are, just in case something happens to luggage and you have to get a refill. And also for those of us wearing glasses or contacts, what is your eyeglass
Ah,
prescription? Easier way to get a replacement pair quickly if needed.
that's perfect. Very good, Ed. Good.